much less anything else about it.
Wow. More discoveries.
Yeah, so I don't know which side this was, but
Well, it's wrong, so we need to.
inside it goes next to the cylinder, wheel cylinder here had this crazy thing on it. This is really the spring that should have been here, which existed on the other side. So my guess is our friend put that on when he replaced these.
Ingenuity.
Mm-hmm.
Wink,
One of the
wink.
right things, so there's a spring. That looks like it came off of some brake thing somewhere. Let's just use that.
Wonderful.
Half-assed bullshit. I have no patience for that stuff.
I've uncovered quite a bit of half-assed bullshit as of late on other cars too, so that's always fun.
Uh-huh.
All right, we've had lots of fun with our master cylinder. By fun, I mean time consumption from a remanufactured, ready-to-go unit. First thing, the bushing that the pedals ride on. Well, first it was pressed in from the wrong direction, so had to pull that out, flip it around. Second, the bushings on the inside, I'm just gonna light on. Right here were too damn tight, so we had to hone them until they fit, which they now do. So we had that little exercise of time consumption today. Then we had to take our brake pedal and hone it out, which is over there. We'll get to it in a second. To fit here, because this was larger outside too. So needless to say, there was a lot of time and effort burned on a poorly advertised, remanufactured, ready-to-go master cylinder. Pedal assembly. Ready to roll. That took a lot of time.
Came out nice though.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
You had to move the
bushing
over to there
I
because
had
it came
to
on the wrong side. You had to ream the thing
hone
out.
both of them, and then I had to hone the brake pedal because the outside diameter of the new one was
Different.
too big. Yeah, and we tried to use the old one, and then all it did was crumble in the fold because it was rusted.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's the throttle linkage. Wick's on a roll over here.
Only Fiat would come up with a contraption like this that the rest of the world does with a cable.
Yes, or even a trapeze, like.
Yeah. But that's what they got.
It's okay.
Yeah, it'll work.
It's neat looking. When we clear it, it'll look pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Especially on a black firewall. It's gonna pop.
Yeah. Gotta kind of figure out, probably should mock it up in there, find out where these are and not clear right around there because there's not a ton of
Clearance.
This one's pretty good. This cracked one is less good. I mean, it does okay, I guess.
You got a lot of shit going.
Put enough grease in there, I guess it'll be alright.
Grease is your friend. That's how I got this to go all together. I mean, it was nice, but I put a little grease by hand on it.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we'll grease it when the time comes.
Yeah.
Going in. All right, got our bearings packed. Now put our seal in. All right, go and get our other side ready. And we'll install these next week because we got the correct upper springs on the way. So our brakes will actually work right.